Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap East Hampton local and long-distance movers near me. Those moving over a long distance, above 50 miles, in East Hampton and people moving across state borders will benefit greatly from our professional long-distance moving services. We consider the safety of our clients' belongings a top priority and an essential element of our company's success. We only have expert movers on our payroll. They understand all state and federal interstate moving regulations and obey them strictly. They also drive carefully through the busy roads to prevent damaging our clients' stuff. If any of your things break or get lost during the process, which rarely happens, we have insurance to pay for it. People often underestimate the amount of hard work you need to put into local relocations because the distance is shorter. However, our movers provide local moves in the same way as long-distance moves, with care and outstanding commitment. We can help you move from small apartments like single-family homes to condos, multi-family residences, and even retirement communities within East Hampton CT. The most exciting aspect of our local moving service is the low price we charge. Our clients pay as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Hampton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.